my soul to sing your song, even when my eyes can't see. When I can't seem to carry on, I know your hand is guiding me. I know your hand is guiding me.
I'm Liana, and here's my adventure. I was exploring the dangerous and beautiful land of Mount Merapi, hiking through spectacular nature, meeting amazing people, and photographing everything, of course. I worked up quite an appetite and couldn't wait to start cooking. I chopped fresh ingredients from the market and cooked them over an open fire. And I added SASA seasoning, which guarantees it'll be delicious.
Teach my soul to sing your song, even when my eyes can't see. When I can't seem to carry on, I know your hand is guiding me. I know your hand is guiding me.
I think cooking outdoors is one of life's greatest pleasures. I love the slow, rustic process.
Through the valley I may walk, but you are all I'll ever need. I may walk, but you are all I'll ever need.
I prepared a sweet and savory sauce. I love bold flavors.
Gave you life to take my fall, so in the storm I will have peace. So come the storm I'll still believe.
Finally, I added bright colors to my plate. Salad greens, fresh herbs, and flowers. It was an extraordinary feast and an unforgettable experience.
And when it seems I'm at the end, and I don't know what I believe, through the cloud I see your hand, reaching down to guide me. You're always reaching down to guide me, 'cause I am yours and I am free.